Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we will discuss how you can find leads on LinkedIn. If you're into business or job hunting or just wanting to grow your business, this is the video for you. So keep watching. The first thing that you'll have to do is jazzing up your profile. You need to dress up your profile so that it sets a good impression to your target leads. You have to create a good or strong headline, and you also need to post regularly. Adding experiences or character references and your skills also is very important. The second part is researching your target leads. This is a crucial part as this helps you sort who you want to be connected to on LinkedIn. So, these are the three categories that you can consider when researching your target leads. You can search them via job title, location, or industry. Creating a list or setting a criteria makes your research easy. Then, next is providing value and service with contents and ideas. So once you're connected, it does not stop from there. You need to provide what you're offering on the table, and this will set you apart from everyone else. This is also one way of showing your target leads that you're the expert that they're looking for. And next is joining and participating in groups and discussions. Other users usually disregard this, but this is also a vital part in researching your target leads. If you join and participate in groups and discussions, this will make your profile visible to your connections and other people. And the next is getting recommendations. Most users on LinkedIn, if not all, will check the recommendations provided by other people, may it be from your colleagues or previous workmates. This will really matter because this will show your professionalism and how you actually work on tasks given. And then, last but not the least, is by using a LinkedIn automation software. Never shy away from using one as this makes your life easier when it comes to targeting leads. Let me tell you a little bit about BigLinker. BigLinker is the best LinkedIn automation software out there. It can give you or get you qualified warm leads and clients from LinkedIn, and we're currently running a promotion right now. BigLinker can automate your targeting and at the same time automate your messages, which saves you time and effort. Just visit our website, that's www.biglinker.com, to learn more or book a hassle free demo so we can show you how our platform works. Again, that's www.biglinker.com. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This has been May, the Business Development Manager of BigLinker. Thank you again for watching and see you on our next video. Bye for now.